In this problem, we are asked to find the 40th and the 78th percentile of our data set. What we have here is a strategy for finding our kth percentile, where k would be the percentile desired, and then we have our formula. Now, the first thing that we want to do is rank the data. So that means we want to put this data in order. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I have, let's see, it looks like 5 is my smallest number, then 7. So I have 5, then 7, then 9, then 10. Let's see here. Looks like 14 comes next. Then I have 18. Then let's see here. 21, 23, 24, and 28. Nope, 25, then 28. That's why I crossed them out to make sure I get all of them. So 25, then 28. Okay, and let's see. So K is the percentile desired. So here K would be 40. We're going to start with the 40th percentile. I is the index, so that would be the ranking or position of data in here. So we're going to have to find that. And then N is the total number of data. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces of data here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this formula. So you have I is going to equal K over 100 times 11 plus 1. Okay, so we have 40 over 100 times 12. So that gives us 4.8. Now, that is not the 40th percentile. Okay, 4.8 gives us the position of our number. Now, I is not a whole number. Okay, so now we have to go to this scenario. So if it's a whole number, we look at the first scenario. If it's not a whole number, we're looking at the second scenario. So we're going to round I up and down to the nearest whole numbers. So this is the position that it's in, which means we want to look at the 4th and the 5th number in our data set. Okay, so the 4th number in our data set is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be 10. The 5th number in our data set is 14. Okay, so you're looking at the 4th and the 5th number, and then you're taking the average of these two numbers. So 10 plus 14 divided by 2 would give us 24 divided by 2, 12. So your answer here is 12. So that would be P40, so 40th percentile is 12, which means that approximately 40% of the data lies at or below 12 when you rank the data. Okay, so that's what that means. 40% of data lie at or below 12. And let's go ahead and do this again with 78. So here, if I just change the K to 78, look for my I here, I would do 78 over 100 times 11 plus 1. Gives us 9.36. So again, not a whole number for our I. So now we want to look at the 9th and the 10th number. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're looking at 24 and 25. So the average of those two numbers is right here in the middle, 24.5. So we would say P of 78, percentile of 78, 24.5, which means that 78% of the data lie at or below 24.5.